Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy.
Today, I'm making pizza. I've made this recipe a few times, and each time I've made it, it just gets more yummy. This is a fun and easy family recipe to make for you or with your kids. So go ahead, make it fun, and get your toppings, and enjoy the video. This sauce is so easy to make. I'm using peeled tomatoes. You can blend it up if you don't want the lumps of tomatoes, or you can do it this way. This is how I make mine. A bit of avocado oil, garlic, and I add a bit of it in there. I'm going to do this for 3 to 5 minutes and then move it away from your stove and let it cool down. Do not add this hot or warm on your pizza, otherwise it'll be a little soggy. I'm using Kerry cheese, that's a preference. You can use mozzarella. Now this is the fun part. I'm using warm almond milk. I warmed it for 30 seconds in the microwave. Use sugar if that's your preference. Honey is what we like. Bread flour if you have it. I didn't have any, so we use all-purpose. If you have a machine, go ahead and use it. A food processor, whatever you have. Otherwise, just knead this for 5 to 7 minutes. You can also use olive oil on the surface. Believe me, that works. If you don't want to use the flour, use the oil. That works just a bit. Go ahead and just roll that into a bowl. Put that back into your bowl. Make sure you add a bit of oil in there first, avocado oil, olive oil, whatever you have, that's fine. And then we're going to cover that for an hour and a half. You can do an hour, but I like to do an hour and a half. That's the look you want. Our dough has doubled in size, which is perfect. Not much needed right now. You can just go ahead and use your hands to roll it out, or I'm just using this for a second. Sometimes I use my hands just to flatten it out, but you're gonna put it into our pan, or if you have a flat tray, you can use that. Put a bit of avocado oil with garlic. This I made myself. It's just garlic with avocado oil. You can put a bit of salt at the bottom too, crushed red pepper, oregano, whatever you have, if you want to season it up a little. And just make the dough work with the pan. I'm going to let this sit for another 15 to 20 minutes. And just a little bit more garlic oil on there. Now, if you don't have this, just use whatever oil you have, that's fine. Now you can use as much sauce as you want and just spread it out. I don't have a measurement on the cheese. You can use as much cheese as you want. You know, some people may like a lot of cheese or less. It's up to you. Just go for it. And Parmesan cheese, I didn't have any fresh ones, so I used what I had in the fridge. Stick it on the stove for at least 2 minutes. Put your stove on for at least 2 minutes and put your pineapple on. And if you have any extra stuff you want to add on, go ahead and do that. We're going to stick this in the oven for 12 minutes on 500. And this is our result. You can do 14 minutes if you want also. I just did 12 minutes. And it comes out so easy. And this is our pineapple pizza. Doesn't that look yummy? I really hope you guys make this because this recipe is so easy and so simple, and it's something you can make on a Friday with your family. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.